Thank you. Hello everybody, my name is Craig Bennett and I'm the founder and owner of TechViews Nope, and today we are going to get into how to get your icons to show up on Windows 10. And I experienced a bug a few times where the audio icon, it wouldn't showed up, and I went into settings and it was grayed out. So we're going to get a little bit more advanced than just a normal how-to. But one thing I want to mention, that this won't solve it for everybody. A lot of people said that these methods, it's a 50-50. If it works, it works. It doesn't. So as far as that goes, let's go into the simplistic one, the simplistic method, and hopefully it works there. If it doesn't, then we can go to a little bit more advanced. So what we need to do is go down to the start button on the taskbar and go to settings, go to system, go to notification and actions, and from there you, like for example with mine, it was not showing the audio icon, so I would go to turn system icons on or off and wait for it to load. Then from here I would just turn it on if it's off. Now, one thing you would notice is some of this may be grayed out, and it might be because, for example, I'm on a desktop and the power option is useless because desktops don't have batteries, or at least they are not supposed to have batteries. So yeah, and the thing, like I said before, volume was grayed out, and I'm showing you how to fix that. So some things they're supposed to show, but they're grayed out for whatever reason. So yeah, the other thing to do is go back and go to the select which icons appear on the taskbar, wait for that load, and make sure whatever needs to be shown is shown here. Again, there's a chance that something might not be shown here at all, and hopefully this next method will be able to fix it. So we're going to close out the settings. Now, one thing I want to mention before we jump through this is about to get into the point of no return. So save any documents or anything that you got critical, because if the next step doesn't work for you, like say for example, if your taskbar stops working, you got to restart your computer in order for that to start working again. So with this, what you're going to do is go down to the taskbar and right click and go to Task Manager, or you can go to Control-Alt-Delete and select Task Manager from there. What we want to do is go all the way down to the bottom of the Process tab and then find Windows Explorer. It should have a file icon next to it, and it should be under the Windows Processes. And what we want to do is right click that and select End Task. Now you're going to see your background change, the taskbar is no longer going to be there, and a few other things. So this is beyond the point of no return. So what we want to do is go to File, Run New Task, and type in explorer.exe, and then select the create this task with administrator privileges and press OK. From there, things should be going back to normal. Your background should be back to normal, and your taskbar should be loading up. It might take a few seconds, so keep that one in mind. But if it takes a while, uncomfortable long time, then you might have to just restart your computer. One thing to do is if the thing doesn't load up, like in a comfortable amount of time, select the start button, and it's potentially that the stuff is loaded, it's just not showing, and by selecting something on a taskbar, it will show everything. Now with this, what we're going to do is one of two things. Is you can go back through the settings through the old method, or we can go to right click the taskbar, go to properties, and then next to notification area we want to select the cut size, and that will just take you directly where we need to go. And let's close out that, and then this area that shows on the settings area, we want to go to turn system icons on or off, select what's needed, and the other. Now there is a chance, and this has happened to me, is once you did the restart the Explorer by doing exactly how as I told you, what could happen is the icons could just start showing up automatically, and this has happened to me, and that's something to keep in mind. But one thing to say again, this won't work for everybody, so if this doesn't work, I really don't have any other solutions at this time. Feel free to ask, because maybe I'll find something else in the future, or maybe a viewer or listener will be able to answer your question and point out a direction that I hadn't really thought of or known about. But anyways, as far as that goes, it's been Craig Bennett, founder of our Tech Reviews Nope. And if you like this, then please feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and check us out on the Patreon to help this stuff to keep going. And I'll see you in the next thing, and have a great day.